Welcome to Gulf Tech and News channel. Today in this video, I will provide you the information of Dubai Lighting Exhibition event which is held on 28th September to 30th September at Dubai World Trade Center. So without further ado, let's get started. Dubai Lighting Exhibition event, basically Light Middle East, which is the district head show and gathering for lighting design and technology, will happen from 28th to 30th September 2021 at the Dubai World Trade Center by the event organizer Messi Frankfurt Middle East. Messi Frankfurt is the world's biggest exchange, reasonable and congress and occasion coordinator with its own presentation grounds. The group's Dubai-based auxiliary, Messi Frankfurt Middle East, was set up in 2002 and right now arranges 16 exchange fairs, 11 of which happen in Dubai, UAE and 5 in Saudi Arabia. The organization likewise puts together a progression of gathering and classes, and as of now it lies around 110 individuals. Messi Frankfurt Middle East tremendous occasions portfolio is supplemented by in-house extra administrations including travel desk, fair construction and event management, guaranteeing all their clients' needs are met on their each level. Their experience, industry information and worldwide show brands implies they are remarkably situated to take the territorial presentations industry to a higher level. They support their clients from everywhere the world and they are here to help you with your arrangements and to display or go to any of our fairs in the UAE and Saudi Arabia. Light Middle East is the district main system administration and the sourcing stage for the whole extent of beautifying, design, open air and indoor lighting arrangements. The stage will be bundled with the arrival of the Think Light Forum, offering bits of knowledge and reflection on the advancement of their industry, especially considering the pandemic we are at the present exploring. The occasion will likewise have the Lighting Plan Acknowledgement Awards and expansion of the Light Middle East Awards function in a relaxed environment with the sole expected to commend greatness in the light plan industry. Highlights from the Light Middle East 2021. Think Light Forum. At the Think Light Forum, renowned architects, consultants, municipalities, operators and designers share their expertise. Light Middle East Awards. The Light Middle East Recognition Awards are set up in luxury with the express purpose of recognizing achievement in the lighting design sector. Virtual networking platform. All attendees will have free access to an AI-powered virtual platform designed to provide a smooth networking experience across all geographical borders. Light Middle East Workshops. Workshops with the Lighting Institute and WILD industry leaders, they were willing to share their knowledge. The Premium Club. A chance to engage with the Premium Club members who are impossible to approach. Who comes to see the show? Service providers such as architects, interior designers, lighting designers, consultants, facilities managers and system integrators, MEP and electrical planners, project owners such as developers, operators and real estate contractors, decorative lighting and accessories, electric lights, electrical and electronic components, LED lighting, technical lighting and home and building automation distributors and retailers, trade agents for imports and exports, governments, municipalities and business organizations. So that's it for today's video. For visitors registration, please find the link below in the description box. For more information about the Dubai Lighting Exhibition event, please visit our website by clicking the link provided in the description box. Stay with us to know the upcoming events informations and do consider hitting the subscribe and like buttons. Thanks for watching.